First one. So after Saraswati Vandana, we will start our next program, and you know we are celebrating our KVS Foundation Day. So there is a pledge, KVS Foundation Day pledge, that you all have to take. So those who are there at their home, and I request all the teachers to stand at their place and for KVS pledge. KVS pledge is there on the screen of our Facebook page, so you can also read. You can also repeat one by one after we are saying it. Okay, so be ready. KVS Foundation Day pledge. We, the members of Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, solemnly pledge to work selflessly towards making India a strong and prosperous nation. We shall discharge our duties conscientiously to take our country to greater heights of sparkling achievements. We pledge to inculcate patriotism, as well as cultural and ethical values among our countrymen through our services and actions on KVS Foundation Day. Today, we commit ourselves with dedication and devotion towards the betterment and development of our country and countrymen. Jai Hind. Now I request Inspector Barwa sir to come and take the oath in Hindi. Take the Kendriya Vidyalaya Foundation plays in Hindi. So we will just repeat after Ramesh Barwa sir.
हम केंद्रीय विद्यालय संगठन के सदस्य भारत को एक सुदृढ़ और समृद्ध राष्ट्र बनने हेतु निस्वार्थ भाव से कार्य की शपथ लेते हैं। देश को उन्नति के चरम शिखर पर प्रतिष्ठित करने के लिए हम सत्य निष्ठा से अपने कर्तव्यों का पालन करेंगे। अपने कार्यों एवं सेवा भाव द्वारा देशवासियों के हृदय में देशभक्ति तथा सांस्कृतिक एवं नैतिक मूल्यों के प्रति श्रद्धा भाव उत्पन्न करने की शपथ लेते हैं। आज केंद्रीय विद्यालय संगठन के स्थापना दिवस पर हम देश और देशवासियों के विकास और उत्थान हेतु संपूर्ण निष्ठा एवं समर्पण भाव से कार्य करने का दृढ़ संकल्प करते हैं। जय हिंद।
Thank you, sir. So, as we all know that our Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, it has a glorious past, a very vibrant and dynamic present, and a promising future. So, being a part of this institution, I am feeling proud. So, in the next celebration term, there is a speech from one of our staff members. I would like to call Mr. Harish Chandra sir to say few words in this occasion.
आदरणीय प्राचार्य जी, साथी शिक्षकगण और शिक्षिकाएं, प्यारे विद्यार्थियों, हम सभी इस केंद्रीय विद्यालय परिवार का हिस्सा हैं। आज ही के दिन 15 दिसंबर 1963 को केंद्रीय विद्यालय संगठन की स्थापना हुई थी। उसी के उपलक्ष्य में आज 15 दिसंबर को हम केंद्रीय विद्यालय का स्थापना दिवस मना रहे हैं। केंद्रीय विद्यालय सिद्दीपेट परिवार की ओर से सभी उच्च अधिकारियों को, केंद्रीय विद्यालय संगठन में कार्यरत सभी कर्मचारी को केंद्रीय विद्यालय स्थापना दिवस की हार्दिक बधाइयाँ। केंद्रीय विद्यालय की स्थापना 15 दिसंबर 1963 को हुई थी। उस समय इसे सेंट्रल स्कूल के नाम से जाना जाता था। हमारा केंद्रीय विद्यालय भारत की सबसे बड़ी स्कूल की चेन में से एक है। वर्तमान में 1245 केंद्रीय विद्यालय संचालित हैं और इसकी 3 शाखाएं विदेशों में भी हैं, काठमांडू, मॉस्को, तेहरान। ये तीन शाखाएं भारतीय दूतावास के स्टाफ और प्रवासी भारतीयों के बच्चों के लिए हैं। सभी केंद्रीय विद्यालय मानव संसाधन विकास मंत्रालय, वर्तमान में शिक्षा मंत्रालय द्वारा संचालित किए जा रहे हैं। केंद्रीय विद्यालय के प्रमुख 4 मिशन हैं। केंद्रीय विद्यालय के स्थानांतरण कर्मचारियों के बच्चों की शिक्षा में व्यवधान न उत्पन्न हो, इसके लिए इनकी स्थापना की गई थी। विद्यालय शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में श्रेष्ठता और गति को निर्धारित करना, सीबीएसई, एनसीईआरटी और अन्य निकायों के सहयोग से शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में नए नए प्रयोग और नवाचारों को सम्मिलित करना, बच्चों में राष्ट्रीय एकता और भारतीयता की भावना का विकास करना केंद्रीय विद्यालय संगठन का प्रमुख लक्ष्य है। केंद्रीय विद्यालय से अनेक प्रतिभाओं ने यहाँ से अपनी पढ़ाई पूरी की है और अंत में मैं सभी का धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगा। थैंक यू सर, कंटिन्यू।
Thank you, Harishan sir. So, you all heard from Harishan sir that what is a KV organization. So, I would add further that at present time there are almost 13,88,1899 students at present time in Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan all over country and including some 3 Kendriya Vidyalaya and abroad, and almost 47,000 employees are there in Kendriya Vidyalaya Siddipet at present time. And there are 5 zones and 25 regions, and in each region the head is deputy commissioner, and we are just like a family. So in next program there is a speech from Kirtana class 6 English speech.
Good morning to everyone. I am Kirtana. I am studying in 6th class, Kendriya Vidyalaya Siddipet, Telangana. Respected principal sir, teachers and my dear friends, today I want to share my feelings and experience about Kendriya Vidyalaya. I am here from 1.5 years, yet I have learned much things from here. My teacher would teach us studies and also give us moral values too. Today is the foundation day of Kendriya Vidyalaya, and Kendriya Vidyalaya started in 15th December 1963. The founder of Kendriya Vidyalaya is Ministry of Education, Government of India. There are 1,243 schools in India and 3 from abroad. Those are Kathmandu from Nepal, Moscow from Russia, Tehran from Iran. Our school in Siddipet is started on January 1st, 2019, and it has quite difference from our previous school, such as our previous school would only focus on studies, but Kendriya Vidyalaya is focusing on studies and as well as co-curricular activities. I would thank my teachers and school administration for conducting online classes, and my teachers are working very hard to give a better understanding on subject. Thank you for giving me this golden opportunity.
A very good speech by Kirtana from class 6. She has told the importance of the students reading in Kendriya Vidyalaya Siddipet, that what they are achieving and what they are getting. So now there is Hamara Kendriya Vidyalaya song from Padmavati class 7th.
Good evening all, myself Padmavati, I am studying in 7th class. Today I will sing Mera Kendriya Vidyalaya song. मेरा केंद्रीय विद्यालय तुम्हारा केंद्रीय विद्यालय, मेरा केंद्रीय विद्यालय तुम्हारा केंद्रीय विद्यालय,
Very good, Padmavati. We all have was that how beautifully Padmavati played and as well as she sang Hamara Kendriya Vidyalaya song. In Vidyalaya, she plays Kango, but this time she is at home, so she is utilizing the resources of the home, and in table she has given the beat and as well as she sang the song beautifully. So very good, Padmavati. So now the speech, English speech from Akshaya, Sri class 7th.
Good morning to all. My name is Akshayasri. I am studying in class 7th. Today I will tell my experience about my school. My school name is Kendriya Vidyalaya Siddipet. I joined KV on January 1st, 2018. It's almost 3 years. I learned so many things from KV, especially sports. We have large playground and all equipments to play. In KV, they will not focus only on academics and also sports and physical activities. KV is fantastic in academics also, and teachers are very best, and I want to tell that I was lucky to join in KV, and I'm thankful to my principal and my dear teachers. At last I want to tell that KV is the best school. Now I'm missing my school. This is my school. I tried my level best to draw this. I hope you like this. And that's it. Thank you and have a nice day.
Very good, Akshayasri. How nicely you have delivered the speech, and it is showing that you all are missing the Vidyalaya because you have drawn beautifully the image of Vidyalaya. So very good, Akshayasri. So now after English speeches, now one Hindi speech from Mubasir class 7th.
सभी को सुप्रभात। मेरा नाम मुबशिर ताज है। मैं 7वीं कक्षा में पढ़ता हूँ। आज हम केवीएस विद्यालयों का 56वां स्थापना दिवस मना रहे हैं। हम सभी के लिए इस विशेष अवसर पर भाषण देने का सम्मान होगा। हमारे केवीएस विद्यालय 15 दिसंबर को 1963 में शुरू हुए थे। वर्तमान में अब भारतीय वास के लिए भारत में 1245 और विदेश में 3 विद्यालय हैं। केवीएस विद्यालय में अध्ययन करने वाले छात्र की संख्या 13,88,890 है और 48,314 कर्मचारी वर्तमान में केवीएस विद्यालयों में काम कर रहे हैं।
So Mubasir from class 7, he has told about the Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, that how many zones, how many regions and how many employees are working there, and he also focused on the activities that we are continuing in our Vidyalaya. So now there is one dance from Sarika class 7, and it is Punjabi folk dance, because our partnering state in a very beautiful dance from Sarika class 7th, and this was Punjabi folk dance. And since our partnering state for Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan Hyderabad region is Punjab, so in our Vidyalaya all the students, they are getting all the languages and the cultures, food habits, they are learning all these types of activities of Punjab state, because KV focuses on there is what unity in diversity in our India. So KV focuses in this unity and diversity. That's why in our school all the students, they are learning Punjabi, they are learning Punjabi cultures and their languages and their food habits and their dance. So Sarika from class 7, she did beautifully the Punjabi folk dance. So now there is Nachiketa, he will play on piano Hamara Kendriya Vidyalaya. Nachiketa from class 6.
नमस्कार, आज मैं मेरा केंद्रीय विद्यालय सॉन्ग को पियानो में प्ले करता हूँ. लेट्स स्टार्ट.
Very good Nachiketa, very beautifully he has played in piano Hamara Kendriya Vidyalaya, Mera Kendriya Vidyalaya. This song Hamara Kendriya Vidyalaya, Mera Kendriya Vidyalaya, all the lines of this song is very much motivated lines for all the students of Kendriya Vidyalaya, because it tells how we have to uplift, how we have to make our nation feel proud and how there should be progress. So because of all the students of our country, so these lines from this song, it is very motivated lines. So now very good Nachiketa, he is from class 6, K Nachiketa. So now Tanmay, she is also with the same song, but there is no instrument, but she sang beautifully. Tanmay from class 7th, the same song.
मेरा केंद्रीय विद्यालय तुम्हारा केंद्रीय विद्यालय, मेरा केंद्रीय विद्यालय तुम्हारा केंद्रीय विद्यालय, मानवता निर्माण करे, मानवता निर्माण करे हमारा केंद्रीय विद्यालय, मेरा केंद्रीय विद्यालय तुम्हारा केंद्रीय विद्यालय, मेरा केंद्रीय विद्यालय तुम्हारा केंद्रीय विद्यालय, माता पिता ने हमको जन्म दिया, मेरे हित हरदम किया दिया। माता पिता ने हमको जन्म दिया, मेरे हित हरदम किया दिया। हम मेहनत कर सुबह शाम रोशन करेंगे उनका नाम। हम मेहनत कर सुबह शाम रोशन करेंगे उनका नाम। पौरुष चरित का मान भरे हमारा केंद्रीय विद्यालय, मेरा केंद्रीय विद्यालय, तुम्हारा केंद्रीय विद्यालय, मेरा केंद्रीय विद्यालय, तुम्हारा केंद्रीय विद्यालय। मन वचन कदम से एक सभी, अन्वेषक अनुरागी नेक सभी। मन वचन कदम से एक सभी, अन्वेषक अनुरागी नेक सभी। माँ की करुणा से ओत प्रोत शिक्षक सारे हैं ज्योत स्रोत। माँ की करुणा से ओत प्रोत शिक्षक सारे हैं ज्योत स्रोत। बल कौशल ज्ञान प्रदान करे हमारा केंद्रीय विद्यालय, मेरा केंद्रीय विद्यालय, तुम्हारा केंद्रीय विद्यालय, मेरा केंद्रीय विद्यालय, तुम्हारा केंद्रीय विद्यालय, मेरा केंद्रीय विद्यालय, तुम्हारा केंद्रीय विद्यालय।
Very good, Tanmay. She has sang the song very beautifully, Hamara Kendriya Vidyalaya. And if we are listening this song in so many times, then it will be good for all, and we will not get bored. Why? Because it is just belong to our KV song for all the students as well as for staffs also. So now there is one more song from Veronica, class 7.
Good morning to all. I am Veronica of 7th class. Now I am going to sing Kendriya Vidyalaya गीत। भारत का स्वर्णिम गौरव केंद्रीय विद्यालय लाएगा। तक्षशिला नालंदा का, तक्षशिला नालंदा का इतिहास लौट कर आएगा। भारत का स्वर्णिम गौरव केंद्रीय विद्यालय लाएगा। शिक्षा उपवन के नए फूल, संस्कृति सरिता के नए कूल। शिक्षा उपवन के नए फूल, संस्कृति सरिता के नए कूल। हम ज्योति दीप जागृत प्रबुद्ध, हट जाओ तम के धूल शूल। तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमया, तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमया, तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमया। या मंत्र विश्व में छाएगा। तक्षशिला नालंदा का, तक्षशिला नालंदा का इतिहास लौट कर आएगा। भारत का स्वर्णिम गौरव केंद्रीय विद्यालय लाएगा। धन्यवाद।
Very good, Veronica. She has sung the song very beautifully. Through the lines of song, in this line there is the example of Takshila and Nalanda. So Takshila nowadays in Pakistan, Nalanda in Bihar. In our ancient time, these two were the prominent and very prestigious universities. Even from Chinese and some other pilgrims, they came here and they just wrote an account in what were the importance of these two universities. So once again, if all the students and all the teachers, when they will do their best, then no doubt that our country, there will be golden future like in that ancient time. So very good, Veronica. So now there are a couple of photos the students have made. The image of Kendriya Vidyalaya, one from Abhinav Mukund from class 7th. He is at home, and yes, Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan Siddipet. Sitting at home, he imagined and he drew the picture beautifully. Abhinav Mukund. And second one from Akshaya, that yes, we can see it. Left side, right side, top side, and portico also. So very beautiful from Akshaya, class 7th. So now Veronica from class 7, she is once again here with her speech. Veronica, class 7th.
Good morning to all. My name is Veronica of 7th class. First of all, I wish you all the happy KVS Foundation Day. Today I am going to tell about Kendriya Vidyalaya teaching skills and other activities. Due to COVID-19 pandemic, the online classes are going on good. There are so many activities in our Vidyalaya where we all take part. Under Fit India School Week celebrations, we participated in so many activities like poster making and preparing advertisements competitions in the Vidyalaya, and the teachers are telling good and we are able to understand. The co-curricular activities CCA and in sports also we are participating. Our Vidyalaya focuses on all-round development of the students. In music room, we sing and play the instruments. Thank you.
Very good, Veronica. She has told that what she does in the Vidyalaya. There is memory in the past year when she was there in school. So she did all the activities, but present time also in online education, she is also, all the students are also taking part in different types of activities. So now from all the songs, speeches and some images from the students, I would like to call our respected principal sir to address our students as well as teachers and the parents who are celebrating this day through our Facebook live page. Our principal sir. We have to hold it very near.
Thank you very much, Mr. Yogesh. A very good morning to all of you, respected parent community who joined on Facebook Live page of Kendriya Vidyalaya Siddipet, all my colleagues, and the most important stakeholder of this organization, great organization, the children. I would like to wish you all a very happy KVS Foundation Day. As many speakers before me have told you that this organization was started as regimental schools, hardly around 50 regimental schools in 1963, and later on came to be known as central schools, and in 1965 under the Society of Registrations Act we are registered as Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, and as they told you, we have around 1245 schools throughout the country, and it is the largest chain of schools all over the world. It is not just in India, all over the world this is the largest chain of schools. And I personally feel very proud to be associated with this organization for the past 27 years, more than 27 years, almost half of its age. Now Sangathan is around 55 years old and half of it is 28. So I have put in around 27 and a half years of service in Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan. As you know, as many people have told you, that there are 3 more schools which are located outside the country, one in Tehran, Moscow and Kathmandu. Children, you being a part of this organization only for the past 2 years, because Kendriya Vidyalaya Siddipet started in January 2019, if I am clear, 2019, because for the academic section 2018-19 we started very late, that is in January 2019, and all the parents had faith in Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan as an organization, as a noble organization, as a famous organization, and they took TCs from the schools where the children were already studying and joined us at the fag end of the academic year. So we are only 2 years old, and you have been associated practically with this Vidyalaya only for the past 2 years, and with this experience of 2 years you are feeling so proud, and the way you presented your activities and the Kendriya Vidyalaya song, Geet, so all these things within a short span of 2 years you had learnt, and you presented it so beautifully, playing of instruments or singing the song, and your expression in English, how you are feeling towards Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, or in Hindi, all this is a matter of only 2 years. So how I must be feeling being associated with this organization for the past 27.5 years. I feel really proud to be associated with this great organization. You know, I have seen Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan grow from the manual events to digital events. Those days in 1993 when I joined Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, the students' fee was collected manually by the class teachers, and every student was given a receipt. So almost whatever fee that is collected was deposited in the office. From the office, some sub-staff used to carry the whole cash and deposit it in the banks. From that to today, the salaries of the staff are credited digitally. The parents are paying fee online, digitally, and our teaching now, because thanks to COVID-19, our teaching is also going on online digitally. Even if in the absence of COVID-19 also, our Vidyalayas are established with the cutting edge technology of digital learning. We always encourage our children and motivate them to learn through digital mode. So children, as most of you are feeling that you are proud to be associated with this organization, I feel I have no words to explain how I feel being a part of this organization for such a long time, and seeing this organization grow from the manual activities to digital activities. You know that song that you were singing, केंद्रीय विद्यालय नहीं, भारत का स्वर्णिम गौरव पुराना है, अभी जो नया है हमारा केंद्रीय विद्यालय is written by one of the additional commissioners academic who retired, Dr. UN Khawade. So our higher ups also are not just there to preach you or teach you, they implement it. They always believed in practicing than preaching. So I salute all those pace setters in the field of education to make this organization, because any organization is run by ultimately the manpower. So having this kind of manpower is really a blessing for Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan. Children, to take this Sangathan to further heights, it lies with you, it is in your hands. You know that you are equipped with the cutting edge technology, digital mode of learning, and the best experienced teachers who are teaching you through digital mode even during these COVID-19 times. And with all this, lot of innovation is also going on, lot of innovation. You have seen that girl Saraswati play that song, sing that song by playing on the table. So this kind of innovation, Padmavati of class 7th. See, this kind of innovation is needed. You know, blaming the lack of infrastructure is very easy. but making use of the available infrastructure to come out with flying colors is the need of the day. I never thought that our teachers will be working from home. Whenever some IT professional says that I work from home, I had a feeling that when will a teacher work from home? And that dream is realized now through COVID-19. Most of our teachers, burning the midnight candle, had learned how to teach online to the children, which was not dreamt of. Without the student being in front of me, how will I teach? That was the question. And our teachers raised to the occasion, all the faculty throughout Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan raised to the occasion, geared up themselves and trained our students, be it academics or such celebrations like KVS Foundation Day, Gandhi Jayanti, many celebrations we had through this Facebook page. I would like to give you only one message on this auspicious occasion. The motto of Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan is Tattvam Pushan Apavranam, taken from I think one of the Upanishad, Ishana Upanishad, Ishavasa Upanishad. It is taken from one of the Upanishads. It has got a very encompassing meaning, a very great meaning. You are praying to the God Sun to uncover the truth. The truth is covered by a hard shell, and we are praying God through our education. We are praying the Sun God to uncover the truth. So, children, be truthful. The most important message is to be truthful to yourself, to be truthful to all your relatives, friends, parents, teachers. So, I would like to repeat, what is this quotation? What is the motto of Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan? Tattvam Pushan Apavranam. Generally, in most of the permanent buildings we write it, but this is a temporary accommodation that we are living in. So, we did not write it in the on the walls. Otherwise, in most of the permanent Kendriya Vidyalayas, we have permanent Kendriya Vidyalayas having permanent building. It is written on the walls. So, we are praying the God Sun to uncover the truth. Truth is already covered by a hard shell. We are praying God to uncover the truth. So, children, once again, I congratulate all of you for being a part of this great organization and having faith in the organization and joining us at the fag end of the academic session in 2018-19. I salute all those parents, because now due to this COVID pandemic, the responsibility of parents is manifold. When compared to the earlier days when the children were coming to the Vidyalaya, they were here for 6 hours 10 minutes. There was an eye-to-eye contact with the teacher and the student. So, children were learning here in a different environment. Now, at home it is altogether a different environment. So, I congratulate all the parents who are rising to the occasion in educating their children, and we at the Vidyalaya level are leaving no stone unturned to see to it that your children will benefit by the facilities that are available in Kendriya Vidyalaya and the faculty that we have with us. I take this opportunity to thank all my colleagues who prepared this program, because it's for the first time again, though the children are at home, they should participate in most of these activities, which is actually a difficult task. So, they all could do it, mainly because they are now digitally experts. This expertism in digital technology has made them learn by hard struggle through which they are teaching you. And you, as a matter of fact, many the alumni means those who already left Kendriya Vidyalayas, they attended here in Kendriya Vidyalayas are in great heights. They are doing very well. I can assure all the stakeholders that a pass out from Kendriya Vidyalaya will be a great use to the society because ultimately our aim is to prepare good citizens to this country. So, through our day-to-day education system, where we have Awakened Citizen program, teaching them values, right, and giving them the right kind of education, and focusing on all-round development by adopting them to lot of sports and games activities, debates, essay writing competitions. So, as you grow, because now you are in class 7, the highest class in this Vidyalaya is only 7th, as you grow and further progress in Kendriya Vidyalaya, you will realize that you are a part of such a great organization. So, thank you one and all for giving me this opportunity to interact with you all, and once again wish you all a very happy KVS Foundation Day. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. So you all have heard our respected principal, sir, that what he shared his experience of past 27 years of Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, and he also focused that we should always try to practice rather than to preach. That was very beautiful line, because we often tell somebody that you should do like that, we should do like that, but we are not adopting that. So first of all, we should practice it rather than to preach. So all the messages from our respected principal, sir, have been given to you to make our country, the future of our country, like what? Golden future of our country. So now at last I would like to call our respected Ramesh Chandra Barwa, sir, to present his oath of thanks. So Ramesh, sir.
धन्यवाद सर। कार्यक्रम में उपस्थित आदरणीय प्राचार्य जी, मेरे सभी शिक्षक साथी, ऑनलाइन कार्यक्रम देख रहे मेरे प्यारे सभी विद्यार्थी एवं अभिभावकगण, सभी को सुप्रभात, नमस्कार। सबसे पहले भारत देश के सभी केवीएंस को, जितने भी केंद्रीय विद्यालय संगठन के कर्मचारी हैं, सभी को केंद्रीय विद्यालय संगठन स्थापना दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देता हूं। प्राचार्य जी द्वारा और शिक्षक साथियों के द्वारा, प्यारे बच्चों के द्वारा सब कुछ बता दिया गया है कि केंद्रीय विद्यालय संगठन की कब स्थापना हुई, कितने कर्मचारी, कितने विद्यार्थी पढ़ते हैं, काम करते हैं। मैं बस इतना कहना चाहूँगा कि शिक्षा एक ऐसा शब्द है, जिसके पास शिक्षा है वह व्यक्ति बहुत सौभाग्यशाली है, और केंद्रीय विद्यालय संगठन प्रत्येक विद्यार्थी को सौभाग्यशाली बनाता है, क्योंकि केंद्रीय विद्यालय संगठन का जो लोगो है, जो मोटो है, हमारे प्राचार्य जी ने भी बताया कि तत् त्वं पूषण अपावृणु। इसका मतलब है कि जो ज्ञान है, जो नॉलेज है, उसको भगवान सूर्य से तुलना की गई है कि जिस प्रकार से रात्रि में अंधेरा होता है, लेकिन जैसे ही सूर्योदय होता है पूरा अंधेरा खत्म हो जाता है। उसी प्रकार से कि हे ईश्वर, जो अज्ञान रूपी अंधेरा छाया हुआ है हमारे जीवन में, उसको ज्ञान रूपी प्रकाश दे करके आप इसको दूर करिए, इस आवरण को हटा दीजिए। और गॉड, यू एक्सपोज इट, रिमूव द कवर आवर नॉलेज। कि ज्ञान पर जो आवरण छा गया है, इसको हटा दीजिए। विद्यालय एक ऐसी जगह है जहाँ पे हम अपना जीवन जीना सीखते हैं। कुछ लाइनें हैं, माई स्कूल इज द प्लेस वेयर आई लर्न द करेक्ट मीनिंग ऑफ फ्रेंडशिप, शेयरिंग, हार्डवर्क एंड मैनी मोर वैल्यूज एसेंशियल फॉर लाइफ। प्रत्येक व्यक्ति विद्यालय से यह सीखता है कि उसे अपने जीवन में क्या करना है, अपने फ्यूचर में क्या बनना है, किस प्रकार से अपना फ्यूचर बनाना है, अपना जीवन किस प्रकार से व्यतीत करना है। विद्यालय से ही ये सब कुछ सीखता है। केंद्रीय विद्यालय संगठन का जो सॉन्ग है बच्चों ने बहुत ही अच्छी तरीके से प्रस्तुत किया। हमारा केंद्रीय विद्यालय, तुम्हारा केंद्रीय विद्यालय। एक और पुराना सॉन्ग था कि भारत का स्वर्णिम गौरव केंद्रीय विद्यालय लाएगा। तो किस प्रकार से स्वर्णिम गौरव केंद्रीय विद्यालय लाएगा भारत का, मैं कुछ अंत में कुछ लाइनों के साथ बताना चाहूँगा कि केंद्रीय विद्यालय संगठन संसार दिखाते हैं। केंद्रीय विद्यालय संगठन संसार दिखाते हैं, केंद्रीय विद्यालय स्कूल परिवार बनाते हैं। केंद्रीय विद्यालय के प्रिंसिपल संस्कार सिखाते हैं, केंद्रीय विद्यालय के टीचर्स स्वाभिमान लिखते हैं। केंद्रीय विद्यालय के क्लासेस किताबों में जान भरते हैं, केंद्रीय विद्यालय के पल दिलों को मिलाते हैं। केंद्रीय विद्यालय के अनोखे दोस्त हर एक धड़कन का मतलब सिखाते हैं, केंद्रीय विद्यालय संगठन संसार दिखाते हैं, केंद्रीय विद्यालय संगठन संसार दिखाते हैं। इन्हीं शब्दों के साथ मैं अपनी वाणी को विराम देता हूँ। एक बार सभी मेरे स्टाफ साथी, प्रिंसिपल सर, सभी अभिभावकगण, प्यारे बच्चों और सभी केवीएंस को तहे दिल से केवीएस फाउंडेशन डे की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद।
Thank you, respected Ramesh sir, for giving such knowledge to our students. And yes, education liberates us from ignorance. No doubt, education liberates us from ignorance. And as soon as there is the daybreak, just all the darkness just vanish from our environment. So, like that, we have to just remove all the ignorance with the help of education. So, at last, I would like to thank all the students and parents who are watching this program through our Facebook live page. So, I would like to tell you one more thing. At 1 o'clock, there is KV Foundation Day celebration at national level. So, I request all the parents and students to join using that link that I have shared yesterday. So, from at 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. there is KVS Foundation Day celebration at national level. So, I request once again, Honorable Minister of Education will be there. So, I request all the parents and students once again to witness this program from 1 p.m. today. Thank you.